In the jungle, wild and free, come along and sing with me. The tiger growls in the night. The frog croaks ribbit with all its might. The snake hiss, so sly. The zebra goes whee as it runs by. The lion roars so loud. The monkey swings, jumping from the crowd. The elephant trumpets, it's clear. The parrot squawks, hello, I'm here. Jungle jamboree, animals sing. Come hear the sounds the jungle brings. From the trees to the jungle floor, let's hear the animals roar. The giraffe calls, from so high. The crocodile snaps, jump, as it slides by. As it slides. The hippo grunts, oink, in the mud. The owl hoots, woo, woo, from above. Jungle jamboree.